Hello guys, and welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be studying of FFmpeg on Windows 10. So type in FFmpeg and go to the main website. Now go to Downloads, go to Windows and Windows Builds. And what I want to do is get the static 64-bit version. Hit Download, and I'm going to open this with WinRAR. What you want to do is open up an instance of the File Explorer and go to your C drive. And what we're going to do is just drag this and drop it. Now we have a copy here. I'm going to right click on this and we're going to rename it as FFmpeg. We're going to open this up and go into the bin directory and copy the path here. Now go under your search bar and search for and click on it, and you're gonna get this window here. Now go to environment variables, scroll down and look for path, hit edit and hit new. You're gonna go ahead and paste the FFmpeg/bin and hit OK. And then here you need to make sure that you have the path extension set. So for this we need to deal with .exe, and you guys can see that I have a .exe here. If you don't have that, go up top and create a new one and just name it path ext, and then you're gonna put .exe here. So you put a colon just like you see them here. Alright, and then this is just gonna be the extension that you're working with. Alright, since I already have that, I'm going to go ahead and cancel. Alright, and hit OK. And hit OK. Here, and we can close this. Alright, so I have this video that I made for Codeforce's problem. So what I do is I extract the audio from this, and then audio correct it. Alright. But what we're going to do first is just right click on here and we're going to open up a git bash. And what we're going to do is type in FFmpeg and make sure that that comes up. And you guys can see that it comes up, right? Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to extract the audio from that video file. So I'm going to type in FFmpeg, and I'm going to give in -i. And I'm going to give the name of the file, which is going to be aud.wmv. And then what we want to do is extract the audio. We use -vn. And then we want to go ahead and save it as an MP3 file. So we're going to use -ab. And then we're going to give it 256, which is going to be the kilobits per second. And then we're going to give the name of the audio file. For this, let's do audio.mp3, right? And hit enter. And this is going to go ahead and extract that MP3 for me. And what I'm going to do is, it's going to be on my other screen. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that audio file here. As you guys can see that we have the audio MP3 file here, and we can double click on it. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be solving 734A. Alright, and typically what I do is I take the audio file and I will import it and use it on Audacity, and I will use noise reduction there and fade in, fade out for certain portions of the audio. Alright guys, so this is how you set up FFmpeg on Windows 10.